Hey guys, so I want to show you how to tie your hair ties in cute ways. First of all, I'm using a satin scarf for the first look, and you're going to fold the scarf, then twist the scarf in the front of your head, push it back and tie. Easy, right? I know. So I know you can't really see it, but the lighting is so bad. Anyway, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. For the second look, it's still the same thing, just that this one you tuck it in. You just keep tucking it in and tucking it in. I'm pretty sure you understand what I'm saying. You just keep tucking and tucking and tucking. And then it's quite loose, so you just draw the end so it tightens up, and then you tie it behind. Easy. This is what it looks like. Cute, right? For the next look, you need a very big scarf or a very long scarf, because it's just like the first look, but you tie and then you tie again, so it looks, a little bit higher. And then you just keep tying really until you're satisfied. And then you tie behind. And then we have the last look, which is just tie your hair. Just literally tie your hair. You can push it back if you want more hair to show, like so. And that's basically all. Thanks for watching. Bye.